Maisie, remember? It's whore time. It's me. I've sat on your egg now for 51 weeks. I've sat here while people have paid to take peeks. I've sat here through lightning and hailstorms and snow. Won't you take your egg back?
Gee, I really don't know. Oh, wow, it's really late. And gee, I got a date. And lots of places to be, but it's so great to see you. Look at you. Who would ever guess? Look at you. Such a big success. And it's all thanks to me. Amazing fortune, that head-fitting circus sensation. Amazing fortune, even I'm impressed. Amazing fortune, while I was off taking vacation, you made your fortune upon Maisie's nest. I may be unreliable, fancy-free, irresponsible, crazy me, always eager to fly. But seeing you gives me true delight. Just this once, I've done something right. The egg is all yours. No, don't thank me.